Hi and welcome to my Cuddly Stitches craft channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you a simple way to embroider nostrils on your amigurumi toy. This technique is also great for embroidering eyebrows or small finishing details on your toy. To start with, use pins with large heads to mark the place where you would like to embroider the nostrils. I like to insert one pin in each corner of the nostril, and you can either follow the instructions in your pattern or just decide where they will look the best. Next, thread your needle with a long piece of yarn, about 50 centimeters, which is about 20 inches long, and then insert your needle into a stitch on the bottom of the head. Pull this pin out and insert the needle into the same stitch. Remove the pin and pull the yarn through. Make sure you leave a longer tail sticking out at the bottom of the head, because we will use it later for securing the embroidery. Then pull this other pin out, insert your needle into the same stitch, remove the pin, and insert the needle into the opposite corner. And pull the yarn through. And you can pull on it a little bit. Now insert your needle into the opposite corner of the nostril, and we can move on to the other nostril. So pull up this pin, insert your needle into the same stitch, remove the pin, and pull the yarn through. So that's the first nostril finished. Now to create the second nostril, we will repeat the same steps. So pull up the pin, insert your needle into the same stitch, remove the pin, insert the needle into the opposite corner of the nostril, and pull the yarn through. Tidy up the stuffing if it comes out. And insert the needle into the opposite corner of the nostril. And now come out through the same stitch at the bottom of the head where you started. And make sure it's exactly the same stitch. And pull the yarn through. Now you can cut the yarn off. And use both yarn tails to tie a double knot to secure the embroidery. Now go ahead and thread your needle with both yarn tails. Next, you have to insert the needle into the same stitch the yarn tails are coming out from, so into this one here. And come out through any stitch on the bottom of the head. Next, pull on the yarn tails to hide the knot inside the head. Now you can cut the yarn off and just tidy up the stitch a little with the needle. And you are done. That's the nostrils completed. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give me thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button to receive an update every time I publish a new video. Thank you for watching.